In this video, we're going to look at how we can edit the way that text appears within Excel. If you're familiar with using Microsoft Word or any other Microsoft package, it's quite similar to that, but with all applications, we want to make sure we are careful to use all the right tools in the right way. Because we've called our company Riverside Electronics here, we want to make this quite a prominent part of our spreadsheet. The first thing I'm going to do here is to select the cell A1 by clicking on it, and then making sure I've got home selected. Up along the top, it says file, home, insert, and so on. These are our menus. The home menu is the one that's currently selected. It's the one that we need. And this allows us to change the font, the size of the font, the color of the font, the background, and various other things about its appearance. Here, we're going to be interested in changing the font, its size, and its color. Where it says in the font area, the word Calibri, that's the name of the current font. If I press this drop-down option here, I have a list of all the fonts that we can select within Excel. Some of them look quite sensible fonts, other ones look quite fancy, they all have different purposes. We're going to select a font called Courier New. This is the font we're going to select here. It looks a little bit different already. We're going to change the size. So the box next to our font's name is the size of the text. Font size, we're going to change this to size 36. This is quite large. And the last thing we want to do is we're going to change the color of the text. And the way we change the color, there's two things we can change. There's this little paint bucket here, which changes the background. And there's this letter, capital A, with the red line currently underneath it, which changes the color. If I press the button as it is just now, you see what happens, it will change our text to red. If we want to make it another color, say purple, click on that, we've got a whole selection. And one of our standard colors here is purple. But if you wanted to customize it, you can go into more colors and be really specific. But purple is what we'd like just now. So we've changed our company name, font, size, and color. We can do things differently for different things. This is the information of the Glasgow branch. So why don't we make sure that font also, in what we're saying our company font is Courier New, so we can select that from our list here. And we want to make that larger, but not as large as the company name, so we'll make this size 20. I've misclicked it. Courier New, not Courier New. Well, actually a good opportunity to show this box up here at the top. I can actually type the name of my font into the box and it will start searching for me. And then I can select Courier New there. And this time I'll change my font to red. I'll use red this time. So again, I've changed my font, my size, and my color. Finally, we might want to change some information about our table of data here. You can see that Excel automatically makes anything with text in it go to the left of a cell, and anything with numbers in it go to the right of a cell. If we don't want that to be the way it is, we can change these things. And I'd like everything to sit nicely in the middle of the cell. So I'm going to click on cell A4, select and click and hold, select all the text down to F10, and up in the alignment window here, I'm going to press this button, which says center, and it will move all of our content to the center of the cell. So look a bit like this, everything's nice and lined up. I'd also like to make my numbers look a bit different from my text. I'm going to select all of the numbers, and I'm going to change the font to Arial. It makes it stand out a bit and make it look a bit different from the rest of the information in the spreadsheet. So that's a quick demonstration of how we can use some of the formatting tools in Excel to make our spreadsheets appear a bit different.